Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to be making coleslaw. Now this wasn't an original idea of mine technically. I had a subscriber that commented on one of my other Instant Pot blender videos and asked, do you think this could make creamy coleslaw? And I decided to run with that idea and make creamy coleslaw. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how I make coleslaw in the Instant Pot blender. It's super easy, super simple. It makes a lot, and I cut down I didn't use all of the vegetables I had, and it turned out so good. So let's get into it right after this. So like I said in the beginning, I did not end up using all of what I thought I was going to need. To make enough servings for, I would say, 8 people, you really only need a half a cabbage. And so what I did was I took half of the cabbage and then cut it into half. So that's about 1/4 a cabbage for each time you blend. It makes it a lot easier. If you put in a whole half a cabbage, you kind of have to stuff it in there and it just becomes a mess. Then, as you saw, I filled it with water to almost above the cabbage quarter. And then you're just gonna blend for about 3 to 5 seconds. That way you don't get cabbage mush, you get chopped cabbage, which I am now draining here. And you can see that is like restaurant quality chopped cabbage. That is the type of coleslaw I like, when the pieces are small like this, evenly chopped, perfect. So I went ahead and pushed some more of the water out and put it into a bowl. And next we're gonna do the same thing with the carrots. I used 4 carrots, but if you're not like a big carrot person, you like less carrots than cabbage, I would recommend using 2, but you do wanna make sure that you cut off the tops and the bottoms and take a peeler to the outside. Once again, filling it up with water to almost cover the carrots, and then go ahead and blend it for 3 to 5 seconds. And I'm gonna add it to my cabbage mixture.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine, baby.
And that's it. I told you it was going to be simple. I told you it was going to be easy, and it was. We literally made coleslaw with only using the Instant Pot blender. And I would say this is it's probably restaurant quality. The chops, great, love it. This is how I will be making coleslaw. Once again, I want to thank my subscriber, Corey, for giving me this idea. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out with engagement. And don't forget to subscribe if you are into food videos, travel videos, and sometimes DIY home stuff. Click that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.